All right. Yes, second day in
2016.
January. Yeah, second day.
Yes,
no,
second of the
let me explain
working.
gosh. Let me just explain to you what I mean. Second day where we don't day on air since we entered 2016. We there here February 1st, and now we're here again. January 1st, and now we're here again January 4th. So now the second day where we don't actually day on air, and we're very excited. Yeah, how una New Year self? Before you talk about your New Year, Amaka, Betiana get something to tell us.
Yes, I get betterment. Maybe say we carry joint body. And I know say the first episode for this year, and a very big blockbuster, we get Vico for inside the building, and we need to live up to that standard. You understand? When we bring that kind of better person, Vico and Jedi, the next person we go follow, na person maybe say go be of great substance. So today we get person maybe say now better. It dig itself. It dig itself, bury itself for inside God presence. And they do better things for inside the music industry. Now no other person but Preye in the building. Hey Bezina Krona.
Hey Bezina. That song they uplift my spirit.
Are you serious?
A lot of
because
people
because you know waiting. When I listen to that song, get one time where Church actually introduced me to the song on radio. And the only line where I like, as then when I just hear her now, no. Tell me why
you're giving up on God.
Okay.
You know, sometimes we dey for situation where we'll just say, I give up on you, Lord.
Yes.
I give up on you. But when you actually ask that question, I can't think again in my life. I say, Uwi,
hold on.
Prayer don't give you the
it could make you think. You know, it could make you think. Because most times we just carry so much things for head. We don't know anything with the face, you know. Sometimes you're just overwhelmed by the things, you know. So it could make you think. As you think, you're good.
And funny enough, as in seeing them on TV and then seeing them in real life, as in there's a difference.
Actually,
there's a difference.
Actually,
so
before
what's
today,
be the difference,
I never see him before. I don't know the face. I tell them outside. I say I don't know the face to the name.
True.
I know the name. I know the song. But now seeing the person, everything just blend. Enter one piece.
I'm serious.
You always get this reaction.
Well, you get a Sibisha. You get the thing they come, they go. Sometimes.
Sometimes. All right, we go actually the rapport with Preye concerning the gospel music industry. Yes, it's an industry on its own. And we'll talk more on top of that one. But meanwhile, today is Motivational Monday, and we get a lot of things to actually tutorial you today. We get stories where it trend over the weekend. Now, a lot of drama over the weekend. What is happening in Nigeria?
Nigerian film.
What is happening?
That is why we are not.
Because now we don't need to buy movie anymore.
No way.
Our artists, them, and musicians, them, and even actresses and actors, them, that they give us film every day on top Instagram, on social media.
Even the notable people in society.
They are, even the, say it again.
Even the notable people in the society, and they give us action film.
Bam.
She has spoken. Where James Bond there, where Bruce Willis there.
Where we get a lot of action, you know, inside the movie.
Yeah. So we'll actually talk about some stories that trend over the weekend. We get motivational video for you, motivational quotes, and better manners of the day. And hopefully we go actually play some videos of 2015, some interviews there.
Hopefully.
Okay, hopefully. And we'll go play interviews that we do in 2015 where they trend on YouTube. Now, if you never enter our YouTube channel, then you actually sit down for back seat for the bus. So, Alele enter on top YouTube at Wazobia TV NG. Just type Talk Wazobia and you go see us. Time for I love this man. My person way every word where they come out from his mouth, they mean something to me in my life. I love him. Imagine within condition, you see the talk say, there is never a day where he feels sad. He actually smiles, despite everything. What do you want to think about this man?
I love the fact that in as much as life don't throw different stones and everything, he still make out, as in he still create reason for himself to smile. This fact that he's still there alive, despite everything that don't happen to him, now reason to even look at our own selves and our own situation to actually take a moment to say thank you, God, for no matter the situation where we pass. Because look at this man, on a normal day, if now with normal human brain, you could just feel, say, okay, you know, it's a no hope for me.
Yeah,
life don't end. But still yet, they live in life like normal person, especially The joke where he crack will make me laugh. Now that one where he swim finish, where he say, I can't feel my hands. I can't look. I say, you don't get hand now, but
And
the
he made
humor.
jokes out of
Yes,
it.
the humor still there, and I really appreciate him. 100%.
And one part I liked there was the part where you say no hands, no legs, and no worries.
Imagine.
You can imagine.
As in, no hands, no
legs,
no
no
worries.
worries.
I'm not bothered about
Exactly.
it.
Now exactly waiting actually
worries.
catch my attention too. No hands, no legs, no worries. Because some people go to feel say only one leg they no get to. Just one leg where they no. In fact, what is that they talk? Some get complete body, but they go to tell you say, God no do this for me, God no do that for me. Those people will no get hand, no get leg. What do you want me to talk now? But I actually just like as the guy approach life. If people fit tap small of that faith or courage from that guy, I think things will feel better. Yeah.
Now I understand. Say some people go talk say now Obodo Yibo. Yeah, so people go talk say now Obodo Yibo man, and that's now why he actually gets
that kind disease.
No, not even the disease.
Or
That
disorder.
kind hope. Yes, the disorder number one, and then the hope we get because
The mentality.
The mentality we
Okay,
get.
yeah, true.
Now when we come back after the break, we go talk about another person where they for inside Nigeria where they go through the same situation where this particular man they go through, and a person where they for Nigeria, a young girl, 19 years old girl. So stay with us after the break.
If you know say, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.